Hello, I hope you're doing fine. In this video, I wanted to share with you these really cute amigurumis that my daughter and me made. They were a gift for my cousin who came to visit and with my uncle. So hi to them if they're watching this video. Anyway, so I know I haven't been posting so often, so soon I will be posting more amigurumi tutorials. I have very cool surprises coming up and also some baby clothes or maybe blankets, and also accessories like hats and gloves maybe, or other accessories. We'll see. Just subscribe and like this video if you want to see more. But here is Raphael from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle and Eridan from Homestuck. So without taking more of your time, let's get started. Okay, here I'm showing you the back of the shelf, and what I did to make this design, I just took one of these plastic embroidery needles with a long yarn and just did the design all together, and you can see here in the inside how I did it. And it's not that hard. The base of the turtle, here's a picture. The base of the turtle, I kind of did it like the turtle tutorial that we have. I'm gonna leave the link here in the corner, and here I just finished the underbelly of the turtle, so I can start stuffing at this point before I totally close it up. And yes, practically the same here how it looks. Raphael finished. It was a very fun project to do. And here you can see I forgot to move the arms and the legs, but they are articulated, and also the head, because I assembled it the same way that I assembled Nezuko. I will probably leave the tutorial here. The mask, I just did it with chains, and here I use leather for its belt, and the sandals, and kind of like the bracelets and the stuff on the legs. And here also I did embroider the underbelly, but I think I make a little mistake here. I kind of put one of the threads back up, so you can see here I shouldn't have done that. But yeah, here I use felt in the face, and I painted the eyes with just regular acrylic paint. But yeah, like that under part of the belly, I did that mistake that I put that thread. I shouldn't have done that, so I need to tell my cousin. But yeah, it is pretty cool. And the fingers, I did like 3 fingers. I just did chains and single crochet to do the fingers. And the toes, I did 2 toes. I didn't put any crochet on the bottom because I did glue it with the leather. So I did use glue to attach the leather in here. And I wanted to put like a little buckle, but I didn't have time because we were kind of in rush making this. But if you want a tutorial of Raphael, please let me know in the comments. Here is Eridan from Homestuck, so Juliana made it, and this is how he looks. I love the glasses, how my daughter made the glasses, really cool. She made everything from scratch and attached the hair, put the eyes, she made the ears really cute. That scarf is super cool. She even added the rings on his hands. That's really nice. And she embroidered the designs in the pants, those lines she did it with embroidery, and also the designs on the shirt, and she made the cape too, so it's pretty cool. And she kind of, to arrange his hair, she put like glue on it so it keeps the shape on it. So she doesn't have a pattern for this because she was doing it really fast to be able to give it to my cousin. So yeah, she wasn't able to write down the pattern, but I do have a pattern for the Ninja Turtle. Yeah, this scarf is super cute. I want to do it for one of my dolls. Anyway, so that's it. I hope you like this video. If you want to know more or want any amigurumi in specific, let me know in the comments. Take care. Maybe till the next one. Ciao.